Hi everybody, this is 5 minutes training and we are discussing common Turkmen phrases. It is wedding vocabulary today. Gelin, bride, oğlan or yigit, groom, şayat, best man, çakalık, invitation, toy, wedding, toy mekanı, functions hall, nikah, marriage, nikah hatı, marriage certificate, tehet bellemek, to set a date, gelin alıcı, wedding procession, söz etmek, to propose marriage, evlenmek, for men and for women, durmuşa çıkmak, to marry, toy tutmak, to hold a wedding, galın, bride price, bukçu, dowry, yüzük, ring, men evlenen, for men and for women, men durmuşa çıkan, I am married. Men adağlanan, I am engaged. Yani yoldaş, spouse, bağıtlı nikah, marriage made in heaven. Qadığında qarasın. This is a phrase which is used when you are wishing a long and happy life to the newlywed couple. Toylar toy olursun. And this is another wish when you are wishing a happy marriage. Well, thank you very much. Do not forget to sign up. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.